Global Industrial Bottle Refilling Station Installation Guide. Important steps before you begin. Review the manual prior to installing. Our detailed instructions cover all the steps needed for an effortless installation. Keep the compressor upright for 24 hours prior to beginning the installation. Standing the cooler upright is an essential step to keep from voiding the product warranty. Let's get started with the assembly. Remove the lower cover and set it aside. Use the included anti-theft star key to remove the 4 screws from the base. Remove the wall mounting bracket from the rear of the cooler unit. Remove the top mounting bracket from the bottle filler unit. Remove the back plate from the bottle filler unit. Save screws for reinstallation. Attach the gasket to the filler panel base. Ensure the gasket lies flat with no gaps. Feed the water and power connections through the hole in the stainless steel pan. Attach the filler top to the pan using the included hardware. Connect water line 1 to water valve 1. Connect male activation plug A to female power supply A. Connect wire connector cable B to valve controller solenoid B. Wires are interchangeable and can be connected to either terminal. Connect male activation plug C to female power supply C. Feed the white reset button wire through the base. This step will be completed after the unit is wall mounted. Attach the stainless steel pan to the cooler base unit using the included hardware. Reattach the back plate onto the bottle filler using the hardware removed earlier, plus 2 additional H5 screws. Let's proceed to the installation steps. Affix the bracket mounting stencil to the wall and assure that the power source, water line, and drain align with the cooler base opening. If the existing power outlet is outside of the template area, pass the power cord through the grommet and base. Use a level to align the mounting brackets to the template. Use appropriate hardware for your specific wall type. With the help of an associate, lift the bottle filler from the correct lift points to mount to the wall. Hang the bottle filler on the bottom bracket first, then raise the unit slightly against the wall to catch and hook the top mounting bracket. Verify the control valves are closed prior to starting the water supply connections. Connect the internal drain line to the building's external drain. Connect the building's water supply line to the cooler filter head. Insert the Global Pure water filter into the filter head by turning clockwise to lock in place. Open water control valves 1 and 2 and check that all connections are tight. Turn on the building's water supply. Check all connections for leaks, and if no issues detected, plug in the power cord. Purge air and adjust water pressure. Adjust the pressure with the water control valve. Aim the water stream at the center of the pan. Reattach the lower cover using the included hardware. Use the tamper-proof filter door key to access the filter compartment. Remove the filter access door. Connect the reset cable to the button panel located at the top of the door opening. Replace and relock the filter access door. Bottle filler installation is now complete. Enjoy fresh filtered water from your Global Industrial hands-free bottle refilling station. Use Global Pure replacement filters, model number 670336.